Hi, welcome back. We're going to be doing another plan with me today. We're planning out the week of June 17th through 23rd. And if you're new here, my name's Tanya. I'm happy to have you. If you're not new here, I'm still happy to have you. And I'm a musician, blogger, passive income and SEO specialist who loves to garden. And this is going to be a very busy week for me. We are traveling this weekend, which means we're going to have so much stuff crammed into these 5 days. So I'm keeping my spread pretty simple this week also because we're traveling. I don't want to have to travel with a lot. And we all know I have to travel with my planner and with supplies. So I'm using this washi tape from the Coffee Monsters Co. This is the Sailing by the Sea washi, whatever came in her most recent subscription, and this bubble washi from her as well. They're gorgeous. I am using this mild liner in the color Cool Gray, a Tombow dual brush in 491, and then I am using this Zebra Sarasa in a 0.05. It's kind of a shimmery blue color. I don't know the name of it. It came in their metallics pack, I think. And I'm not using a fountain pen this week because we are flying on Saturday. And I like to keep things consistent, and fountain pens don't fly exceptionally well. So we're just gonna use a gel pen this week. Gel pen next week too, spoiler alert. So we're gonna start by laying down this washi tape. And I have to say, By the Sea sounds lovely right now. It is so hot here in Middle Tennessee. I am located in a suburb of Nashville. And oh my gosh, the temperature has been in the mid 90s, but the humidity has been hanging out. Can't do this, between like 78 and 90%. I mean, it is nuts. And I am on the struggle bus today. So, like I said, we're traveling, and I would love for that to be like, oh yeah, vacation, sand, sun, and waves. Well, there's going to be sand and sun because I'm going to the desert. There's not going to be waves, and it's probably going to be really hot there. No, not probably. It is going to be really hot there too. The good news is it's a dry heat. Now, when people say that, let me just explain to you. A dry heat is still hot. However, without the humidity, it's weird because I lived in Texas for 4 years while I was in graduate school, and the humidity is so lacking that the feels like temperature is often cooler than the actual temperature in the summer, which just kind of blew my mind when I first lived there because it is the opposite here. We can have temperature in the 90s, but the feels like is going to be in the hundreds every single time. Oh, I think that's so pretty. Now, let's get this bubble washi in. So if you've been following my last few plan with me's, then you're going to know that I have given myself a challenge for the month of June. And my challenge is to eat 30 different plants every single week. Now, from week to week, the plants can be the same, but there has to be 30 different ones within the week. And I am proud to say, so far, I am being very successful with that. The first week, I managed to get in 32. Last week, I managed to get in 33. This week, I'm expecting just a little bit more of a challenge because of the travel days. And then next week is going to be even more of a challenge because I'm going to Texas and they like meat there. I don't like a lot of plants. So I'm going to challenge myself to still do it, to buy groceries, to not go out too much. So fingers crossed, that's going to work. Okay, so now that I have all of this laid out, it is time to mark in my music lessons for the week. And for that, I'm going to use this cool gray along with these tiny icons from the Coffee Monsters Co. Now, my schedule is not set in stone yet because I have some stuff I'm attempting to reschedule. But you know what? We're going to put it in, and If things change a little bit, that's totally fine. Okay, so I have all of my lessons written in for the week now, and I'm going to take this one step further, and I'm going to just mark out those lessons who are in person, just with this pen, because online lessons are fine. For in-person lessons, my studio needs to be set up for lessons. Okay, now that that's marked in, it's time to start adding in my other appointments. So I know that I have to take my roommate to a doctor's appointment today at 3. So that's going to be right here. And I'm marking this in with this blue. And I am also going to use one of these tiny icon stickers from the Coffee Monsters Co. And I think I'm going to do this like little location one. I do office hours with Creative SEO once a month, and tomorrow is our monthly call, and it's going to be at 2 o'clock. So we're just going to pencil that in. And this is a time where my members can pop onto a call and ask any questions that they have. We can go over any of their blog posts or their website. We can brainstorm new content ideas, stuff that's going to help them be successful. Okay, then at 3:30, I have my mastermind group. This is my group of ladies. I've talked about my mastermind on here before. They are so totally amazing. They're so supportive. So I'm just going to use this little call icon. So we've got that penciled in, and then that's actually it for Tuesday. I'm not teaching my church class over the summer. We're on vacation. So I have Tuesday nights free for the next couple of weeks, for the next couple of months, and I'm super excited about that. Now, over here on Wednesday, I have no extra appointments, and I'm fine with that because it's busy. Thursday, same thing. Friday, however, we have stuff. So, or I guess I should say I have stuff. To start out, I have a podcast interview on Friday at 11 o'clock. And I'm going to mark that with this little working onesie emoji because it's just so cute. I also have a haircut scheduled that afternoon, and I know somewhere I have some haircut stickers. Guys, I've got to get these stickers organized.
Much later.
Okay, guys, I am not going to tell you how long it took me to find that sticker. That was embarrassing. But I did find it. All of that work for this tiny sticker. But you know what? It's worth it. I like it. It makes me happy. Okay, so my haircut is going to be down here. And also super excited because Project Fear starts this evening. And I love that show over on YouTube. And the new season is going to start, and I'm super excited about it. Probably way more excited about it than I should be. And I don't have a TV emoji, so you know what? I'm just going to draw one. Let's see. This is my attempt at doodling a wonky looking television set that's going to be a little bit crooked. It's going to be one of those old fashioned TV sets. Back in the day. And by back in the day, I mean the kind that I grew up with. We'll give it some knobs over here. Why not? I think it needs antenna. What do you think? And Project Fear. I think it needs a little color. So I may be making a huge mistake by drawing over this gel pen. No, I think it's going to work. Sometimes it smudges. Okay, there's my ugly little TV, but that's okay. It's my ugly little TV, and I love it anyway. All right, and then on Saturday is the travel day. So I think this blue vacay sticker is in order. And these are from Bloom, I believe. These are old stickers that I've had forever. Some of the first stickers I got before I discovered all of the really cool planner stickers out of there. Not that these aren't really cool, there are some I like better. So we're going to give it a little airplane because we are going on a trip and I'm excited about it. Oh, and that reminded me, I have a meeting today. Okay, not exactly a meeting, but at 1 o'clock, my pet sitter is going to be coming over for me to show her how to deal with the garden. We just have a pet sitter come stay at the house because if you're new here, we have a dog and 2 cats, and it's a whole lot cheaper to pay a pet sitter to just stay at the house and house sit and everything than to kennel all of them. Plus, Buster is a little bit of a special snowflake, and it takes a special hand to deal with him. He is a sweet dog, but he is too smart for his own good. And better yet, one of my former students is our pet sitter. So that makes it even more fabulous because I trust this kid. She's in college now. I trust this kid so much, I gave her a key to my house when she graduated high school. She is fabulous and has proven to be awesome. And she'll keep my garden alive while I'm gone. Okay, so next thing I need to do is get my workouts scheduled. Today is a rest day. I worked out yesterday, but I need to work out Tuesday, Thursday, Friday, and my coach has me scheduled for Saturday, but I'm going to have her move it to Sunday just because there's no way I am going to work out on Saturday. I'm going to be on a plane all morning. So yeah, but we'll go ahead and get those scheduled. And I'm going to use these tiny icons this week. These cute little workout tiny icon stickers. So if I'm looking at my schedule, I will probably work out after my mastermind group on Tuesday. Normally I do it in the mornings, but because I start teaching lessons so early and because I don't have my church class, I think this will be a perfectly good time to work out. So we're going to stick that in. And guys, I have to schedule my workouts or they just won't get done. I don't know if you're like me, but that's just how it is. And this is something that I'm really trying to do for my health. I have more energy. I'm feeling better. Okay, so on Tuesday, I teach pretty late. So we're going to make this a morning workout. Not Tuesday. Did I say Tuesday? Thursday. Losing my mind. Clearly, I need a 3rd cup of coffee this morning. And then Friday, we're going to get a workout in. And I'm going to do that Friday morning as well. We will not be going to the farmer's market Friday morning, which is kind of what we normally do because we're leaving town. So it will be easy enough to get my workout in Friday morning. And then Saturday, it's not going to happen. Sunday, I am going to do it at some point in time, but I have no idea what's going on. I know we have church at 10 on Sunday. So I'm going to go ahead and put that in. So the more I'm thinking, we'll probably have a lot of family time in the afternoon. I may just try to get my workout in the morning. I know I also want to try to go for some walks while I'm there, but the temperatures are going to be like 105 while we're there. So those will have to be really early in the morning. So maybe I'll do my workout around 8. This can always be moved. So all of the workouts are scheduled in for the week. Now, I need to get over here and do my work tracker. I usually do this first, but I am just off my game today. Okay, so I have my work tracker in, and I have Saturday on here. I normally don't do that, but I'm not really sure how things are going to work out this week, if I'm going to get any work done on Friday at all. So I'm putting Saturday there as a just in case I need to get some stuff done because my university class is coming to a close. Let's see. Yeah, Wednesday is the last day of it. So I will have to check in with that on either Friday or Saturday. So we'll see what we end up doing there. Now I need a to-do sticker. And I have this kit we used last week. And I think this blue to-do will work well. Like I said, I am just stretching these kits out because I know I'm going to have a huge to-do list. It's not in there yet, but we'll get it in there a little later. But this is where we're starting for the week. I think this is really nice. I like that it's really kind of minimal. I'm liking the blue. It's nice and peaceful for a week that's going to be a little stressed out. Now, just give you a look back at last week where I used the kit. I like that it's colorful. I didn't get everything on my to-do list done. And over here, another busy week. So my weeks start like this. Well, I guess technically my weeks start like this, but you know, hey. But once it's all filled out, this is the base of the week, and then it slowly turns into something like this as things go on. So I hope you've enjoyed this. If there's another type of plan with me you're interested in me filming, let me know in the comments below. Expect a quarterly planning session coming out soon because July starts quarter 3. So until next time, guys, peace out.